If you're a B2B digital marketing professional or a manager of sales operations, stick around for a few moments because we've got something cool to show you. Now, we promise to keep it short, so sit tight and let's get straight to the point. At Marcom Robot, we are focused on making sure the leads your marketing team's generating have quality data so that your sales team can jump on them right away and meet their SLAs while creating healthy pipeline. The Data Enrichment Engine and Email Validation Bot are designed to provide as much information about both your new leads and existing customers as possible. We also automatically identify quality email addresses so that you can get rid of junk leads immediately. This data hygiene helps you improve lead routing, speed of the sales follow-ups, conversion rates, all while reducing your data storage costs and essentially helping you get the most out of your investment in a marketing automation system and CRM. Now, here's how it works. When your leads submit their email addresses, we're scanning them and give you a cumulative email quality score based on a whole slew of parameters, including but not limited to disposable check, MX and SMTP record check, email provider, email format. In parallel to that, Data Enrichment Engine adds tens of unique data points such as company name, number of employees, HQ location including full address and zip code, annual revenue, corporate social media profiles, and many more. We promise to keep it short. Moving on. We ourselves emerged from digital marketing, so we know for sure that digital marketing these days is all about generating more MQLs. More leads, or MQLs, means more campaigns, which means you need more landing pages to drive traffic to. That's where our drag-and-drop landing page builder comes in handy. It's designed to help you scale the process of building high-converting landing pages for pay-per-click, events, email marketing, webinars, promos, and other campaigns. No dedicated HTML developers or designers are needed. Choose from a variety of templates or create your own landing pages from scratch. And the built-in real-time email quality scoring feature will help you automatically identify the best leads for you so that you can pass them over to your sales team in no time. At least, that was quicker. Learn more about our products by visiting marcomrobot.com today.